watch heat lightning over my head before. Never. Look at that. And the thunder. It sounds like, 100 airplanes flying over.
You know, that might be a tornado coming in.
I doubt it.
They
Tornadoes
say
don't create lightning like that. You'll see if they create hail. That's heat lightning. Look at that. Look at the curls. It's everywhere. That lightning doesn't touch the ground either.
Hey, you want to record for a little bit? Maybe you can get it better than I can?
No, you're doing fine. Just come out as wide as you can. If you have it zoomed, there's a wide. Just make sure you don't have anything zoomed. No, you just zoomed it. You don't want to unzoom. Alright, yeah, you're at 1 time. That's fine. That's beautiful. Looks like the aliens are coming, like in War of the Worlds,
Yep.
the second version of it. Oh man, that is just so excellent. Yeah, but isn't that excellent?
Huh?
Isn't that excellent?
I know, it's cool looking, but scary.
I know, it's heat lightning. It's not supposed to touch the ground. I've never seen it this close over my head before like that.
I know.
And that much. It is just excellent. Wow. Record as long as you can. Might be able to turn it a little bit more at an angle so you get more of a little bit of a wide spot. I don't, just keep recording. It's great. Wow. Oh, here, I'm getting tired.
Yes.
I'm sorry. You don't have to hold it real far up. You can hold it down here. Just aim it at the sky, Put it to where you're comfy. There you go. You don't know if it's right side up or upside down, huh? That might not be a good thing. No, it's gotta be. You gotta be upside down now. So turn it again because your time is upside down. So turn it back right where you had it. Because if it's upside down, I can invert the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
but I can't change it back and forth. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
No, just you already did it mostly that way, so leave it there. That's got to be right side up. Look at that. God, is that great? I mean, there's a big spot right here, and there's more coming. Eh? And it's just lighting up the whole sky. Jeez.
Well, that camera focuses just as soon as the lightning goes. So hopefully we get it.
It's you're seeing what you're seeing. So.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, worry more about this over here, not that over there. Look at that's perfect. And you got a nice tree for the background.
Mm-hmm.
That is just excellent. And you got that cloud up above right above the tree,
Mm-hmm.
and then a big cloud higher than that. Wow. I hope you're not getting bit.
Not so far.
Good. Wow. I've seen this stuff from distances, but never like this. Have you ever seen this like this?
Once.
Once, huh? Where at?
Me and Bobby were coming out of the Cracker Barrel one night, and
Where?
there was just
What town?
in Rockford.
Oh, we're out? Okay.
And we were coming out, and all of a sudden you could just see heat lighting. We sat in the rocking chairs and watched the heat lighting.
That was the tornado time, wasn't it?
Yeah.
When there was a tornado near Rockford.
Yeah.
I mean, this could create something, but there's nothing close right now.
Yeah. That is really pretty.
It is. It's great. I mean, you don't see too much of the lightning itself. You're just seeing the flashes. But earlier, that was great. There's a good one. Oh, wow. Yeah, see, you got a bigger cloud coming in. It's getting windier. Yeah, we're going to get some good storms. They said strong storms.
I hope I got that.
Huh?
Hope I got that.
Oh, yeah, you got it. That big flash that was right there?
Mhm.
Oh, yeah, I saw it on here. As
Good.
long as when you look down here, you got just the top of that tree, you're fine.
Mm-hmm.
That's what you gotta, and then you got the point of the roof on the left side, you're
Mhm.
doing fine. There's another good one.
Oh, that was great.
I know.
You're gonna have to edit this and get a lot of the good stuff in there.
Oh, no, I'm gonna put the whole thing up.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Wow, it's just, I can't believe it's continuing this long, too. I mean, it was out here, when we came out here, it had been going for 15 minutes so far. Because I was
It's
seeing
9
the
minutes
light.
on the recording.
I know, that's what I'm saying. It had to be at least 6 minutes before we came out here and started recording. We could have tried our camera, our new camera too, and recorded on that too.
I know.
Would
I
look
thought
even better.
about it, but I
Would look
didn't.
even better.
Yeah.
No, it's okay. Well, we got to get that ready though.
We got to get used to using that.
Well, then we got to get it ready in case there's more stuff later tonight when we go in. So we'll get it ready to go. Pull it out, charge it up, make sure it's all ready to go. Wow, I still can't believe it. Look at all that light.
The scary thing is that there's no rain with this. It's all
it's
heat lightning.
It's heat lightning.
It's awesome.
It's because of the cold air coming down and the heat. What you're probably seeing is a thunder cap being created.
Mm-hmm.
Cold air coming down, hot air rising. The hot air
Tony,
is
you've
moist.
got to share this with Tony. Tony will
Are you
absolutely
kidding?
love
I'm going to put
this.
this up on Facebook.
Yeah.
I'm going to put it up on YouTube too. It's great. Wow. Yeah, see how that big cloud cap is kind of building?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. That looks gorgeous. I mean, maybe if I wasn't into electronics like I was, I wouldn't be as much of a big deal, but that's what you call, what you're seeing is a natural brain, the brain synapses.
Mm.
Nature's brain synapses firing.
Mm-hmm.
Think about it. Wow, that was a great one.
Mm-hmm. Oop, there's a good one.
A little bit higher. Tip it a little bit towards you. There you go. All you want is at the very tip of that tree.
I actually tipped it a little higher so the headlights wouldn't get us.
No, that's fine. That's why I said tip it back a little bit, also because of the headlights. Yeah. Wow, it's great stuff. Gotta tip it higher back. Tip the top. There you go. Just so you get the tip of the tree. So yeah, tip the top part towards you. Okay, you might even go a little bit farther back so you get just the top, just the tip of those clouds on the bottom instead of the tree. That's it. See, that's it. Oh yeah, look at all that. Yeah.
Skunks are afraid.
What's that?
I said the skunks are afraid.
Oh, is that what you think you're smelling there?
Yeah.
Yeah, but they could be coming from miles away.
Yeah.
Wow.
Holy shit.
It's gorgeous. Your arms getting tired?
Starting to.
Here. I got it.
Oh, thank you. Oh. I can feel the static electricity.
Yeah, so can I. I know, it's great. It's getting higher in the sky.
Yeah. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that one looks pretty.
Yeah,
Yeah, they're overhead now.
I know. Yeah, I don't even have the bottom part of that cloud there.
Yeah.
I'm doing the sky. I have the left edge of the right edge of the cloud on this side, and that's it. And that pure sky.
Oh, wow.
Oh man. I think I'm gonna turn it like this.
Oh, talk about a light show.
Oh, it started a new recording, huh?
Did it?
Yeah, it says 2:19.
Huh.
So it must automatically go to 10 minutes and then restart.
Yeah, must.
That's so it can file it away, I guess. Wow.